everyone, welcome to Fridays with Romeo and Juliet. I am Krishna Lalwala, founder, producer and director over here. I am so glad to announce that I will be again directing the second production of the Midday Theatre Romeo and Juliet, happening in the month of Valentine's, that is February 2022. I think experiencing Shakespeare itself gives me goosebumps. So when it comes to answering a question like that of how has Shakespeare made me feel or how has Shakespeare made me believe in life is something which is very overwhelming for me personally, because there's not even a single line that I dislike of Shakespeare. I think every time I read Shakespeare's works, there are so many things that I discover, not just about life, but there are so many other things that are intertwined in everything that Shakespeare has ever written. I think why Romeo and Juliet is a very simple answer. It is because the audience connects to Romeo and Juliet, and considering that it is Shakespeare, I did not want Romeo and Juliet to be a suspense for our later productions. I think Romeo and Juliet could be like a really good start for the audience of Surat to start accepting Shakespeare and Shakespeare's language. And Romeo and Juliet overall is a play all about love. So making sure that that love stays pure in all forms through the Midday Theatre was like a cherry on the top, so why not? So I think there is a huge process that goes behind making a production successful, and one of the processes or one of the steps that goes into making a production is script editing. So although we stick to Shakespeare's language, we stick to the main plot, there is always a kind of additions, subtraction to the play itself. So I think that is something that we let it be a suspense rather than me letting it out as to what am I editing and everything else. So yes. Personally, I think the most attractive thing of Romeo and Juliet is love at first sight, and that is what has always been there with the audience, because audience they keep thinking about it as to love at first sight, like what is love at first sight, and I don't think anybody would have experienced that sort of love other than Romeo and Juliet, and obviously they're just in paper. So that kind of love to experience in an imaginary world, I think that is something that all of us miss out on in real life. So yeah. No. You see, looks are deceptive for me, so I would prefer not to fall in love at first sight. I would rather give myself some time. No, I don't think there could be any other alternative to an ending of Romeo and Juliet, because had I been in that particular scenario as in if I had been belonging to that particular century, considering that I had no options left, and seeing a life where I do not have a life partner I could rely on, I think even I would give up.
So would you fall in love with Romeo? It's like somebody of that sort came into your life. Would you fall in love with him?
Yes.
Would you like to be the Juliet?
Obviously, yes. There is no Juliet without Romeo.
Alright, so which is your favorite scene from Romeo and Juliet except for the balcony scene?
It's the masquerade scene. It's the first time where Romeo sees Juliet, and in fact Juliet is just having her mask on. She's not even having, her face is like half covered, and still Romeo could feel like that instant connection with her. So I think the first scene where they meet, that is one of my favorite.
There are two things. First, you said you don't want to fall in love at first sight, but you want somebody like Romeo.
Yeah, because Romeo loved, and Romeo loved till madness. And if not obviously not love at first sight, I think that is not the case with me in my real life. But I know how it feels to be loved to madness, like how Romeo loved Juliet. So, yes. I have been hearing this humor a lot lately that the boys at the midday theatre are going clean shave because the director demands. Well, the rumor is very much correct, because I have been asking all of my boy actors to come clean shave just to make sure that they look teenagers, because Romeo and Juliet is all about these teenagers falling in love. And in India, as we say, nibba nibbi, something that I have heard a lot lately. So yes, that is something interesting happening at TMT right now. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we'll keep updating you all about the Midday Theatre with every post here and there. Bye bye, see you soon.